That night, we feel tired and worried. But we also feel a little stronger. We know that problems can happen. We know we can face them together. London is a big city with many surprises. The next day, Alex and I feel a bit better. We still worry about the lost bag. But we decide to enjoy our time in London. We make a new plan. Today we will visit Hyde Park and go for work. Hyde Park is very big and beautiful. There are many trees, flowers and a big lake. We see people walking, running and riding bikes. We feel happy and relax. We walk along the path and talk about our plan. Suddenly, Alex says, "Sneha, I want to rent a bike. Let's ride around the park." I think it is a good idea. We go to the bike rent places. Get to bikes. We start to ride. It is fun. The wind blows in our face. We laugh and feel free, but then something terrible. Alex is riding in front of me. He turns to look back and talk to me. He doesn't a rock on the path. His bike hits the rock. Alex falls off the bike. He hits the ground hard. I hear him cry out in pain. I stop my bike quickly and run to Alex. He is on the ground, holding his bag. He looks very hurt. I say, "Alex, are you okay?" He says, "No, my leg hurts a lot. I can't move." I see people around us. They look worried. One person calls an ambulance. Another person helps me keep Alex calm. The ambulance arrived quickly. The paramedics are very kind. They check Alexa and say, "We need to take him to the hospitals." I go with Alex in the ambulance. I hold his hand. He is in a lot of pain. I feel very scared and worried. The ambulance goes fast. We reach the hospital. The doctors take Alex inside. They say, "Please wait here. We will take care of him." I wait in the waiting room. I feel very nervous. I don't know what will happen. I hope Alex will be okay.